Hey there, my name is Megan and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the crown knot. If you don't know what that is, then keep watching and you're gonna find out. So I've received several comments on my Instagram, here on YouTube, asking me to show you guys the crown knot. I use it in a lot of my plant hangers. I love it. It's beautiful. It's just very intricate, detailed, textured. And once you figure it out and you practice it, it comes really, really easily. So without further ado, let me show you guys how I do the crown knot.
I'm doubling up my strands because I want this crown knot to look really thick, but you can just do this with 2 single strands. You're going to start by placing them in an X or a cross formation where one is laying on top of the other. You can start from any end, take it, loop it over, and cross it over the piece next to it. Then you're going to take the piece that you just crossed over, and you're going to take that end and loop it over the next piece. And then you're going to take your next piece and cross it over. And then you take your last piece, loop it through your first loop, and then you're going to pull on all of your strings and tighten them. Then you're going to start to see your first crown knot taking formation. I think it looks best when these cords are nice and straight and aren't twisted, so if you see that they're twisting, you can just kind of straighten them out while you're pulling your knot tighter. Thanks guys for watching this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment. Let me know where you use this knot, if you're using it in a plant hanger, a wall hanging, and if it came easily to you. And I'll see you on my next project.